Welcome to lesson number 20. Previous lesson we covered the place by order method, and according to our list of pending there is test by order, and this test by order is the one that we're covering today. So let's start our work on it. The purpose of it, as you can say by its name, is to take care of the testing for our by order method that we just wrote. So def test by order. We started actually doing this in previous session, but because it will make it way longer than I expected, I decided to split those two and give this one another go. So symbol, which would be a string, shares, that would be integer, and R with this method string. Okay, and add here some explanation. Test by order functionality, test purposes. This is going to use in our day-to-day work, so keep this in mind. This is just the testing part. Our accounts will be self get account info if no accounts length equal to 0, self logger error unavailable, and return false. This is not the case. Account hash account first account get hash value. We already had similar code in one of the above. If not count hash, no count for account, again return false. We covered the negative part of account related information. Next we are going to check the price. Current price self get current price symbol, and again our save current price self logger error, and again return false. Estimated cost equals to current price multiplied by shares number. So this is the cost of one deal that we are going to do. Remember that we have a limitation of $100. Self logger info f estimated cost for shares of symbol stock is dollar estimated cost and 2 digits decimal. Here we are logging information what will be the estimated cost of one deal with the number of shares for the symbol that we are looking for. Result, now we are placing the result equal self place by order symbol shares not hash. If result and result get success, print, or better yet, self logger info purchase successful. Here return true. Self logger info purchase failed and return false. So what we are doing, we are getting the account's information and account hash. We are getting current price for the stock. We're checking if the symbol here exists and it has a valid price. Then we are getting the cost estimate, number of shares multiplied by current price, the amount of one deal that needs to be less than $100. Again, this is in my playbook. I'm not sure about yours. Then we are logging the status where we are, and after that we are placing the order. We are returning. We are calling this method and seeing what it returns. If it's true, order placed. If it false, it's not. So basic usage will be if section here, if client test by order one print working else failed. So this is our method for testing the buy order. Next, it is our goal to make sure that the place by order method works successfully, and we are going to test it with this one. So next one, we are going to do the remaining one and test by order with no price check. Stay tuned. Thank you for attending lesson number 20, and see you at lesson 21.